Types of sampling. There are two main types of sampling: random sampling, non-random sampling. Random sampling. This method is also known as lottery method. Under this method, the individual units are selected at random from the population. For example, the government wants to determine the impact of the rise in petrol price on the household budget of a particular locality. For this, a representative, random sample of 30 households has to be taken and studied. The names of all 300 households of that area are written on paper and mixed. Then, 30 names to be interviewed are selected one by one. In the random sampling, every individual has an equal chance of being selected. Non-random sampling. Non-random sampling is a method in which all the units of the population do not have an equal chance of being selected. These samples are selected on the basis of judgment, quota, purpose, convenience of the investigator. For example, you may select 10 persons out of 100. You may select the persons on your judgment, which are known to you or which are located in your locality. Sampling errors. Sampling error refers to the difference between the sample estimate and actual value of the characteristic of the population. We can reduce the sampling errors by taking a larger group.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.